Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung A14 camera distortion issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here open apps. In apps, scroll down and open camera app and then open camera settings. Now here scroll down and click on reset settings. Now here click on reset and after that go back and open storage. Now in storage clear the app data and cache memory of camera app. Now here click on delete and after that go back and then click on battery and device care. Now here scroll down and click on software update and then click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version.